Wow, this airport looks so big and bright this morning.
Yes, it feels like a small city already waking up. Okay, everyone, keep your bags close.
Yes, stay together. We're just getting started.
So many flights are leaving today.
That board tells everyone where to go.
Look, that airplane is moving.
Yes, it's getting ready to fly.
Let me check our boarding passes again.
Backpack feels good now.
Great, you've got everything?
People are walking everywhere.
Airports are always busy like this. I like walking together as a family.
Me too. It feels exciting.
That sign says security is next.
Okay, let's get ready.
We need to put our things in these bins.
My toy car goes in here.
Yes, just for a moment.
I don't like taking off my shoes.
I know, but it's just for safety.
Phone, keys, wallet, all out.
Follow me and don't rush.
Okay, I'm right here.
This machine looks strange.
Just walk through calmly.
Let's collect our bags.
Nothing is missing. Good.
That was easier than I thought.
Yes, you did very well.
I like watching planes move.
The runway is so long.
Planes need space to fly. Look, that plane is taking off.
It's going up so fast.
I love seeing you this excited. Let's sit and rest for a bit.
My legs are tired.
Our gate number is right there.
Good. We're in the right place.
I can't stop moving my legs.
That's excitement.
These signs are easy to understand.
They help travelers a lot.
We still have enough time.
No need to hurry now. I feel relaxed already.
Me too, we planned well.
The screen just changed.
That means boarding soon. People are lining up.
Is it our turn?
Passports and boarding passes ready.
That beep means we can go.
This tunnel feels long.
It leads us to the plane.
The door is so big.
Welcome aboard. Our seats are this way.
I see them. I want the window seat.
You're lucky today.
What does this belt do?
It keeps you safe.
I can see outside clearly.
Enjoy the view.
I'll put the bag up here.
Okay, let's sit and relax.
We're ready.
The door is closing.
That means we're leaving soon.
This card shows safety rules.
The plane is moving.
I feel it. My heart feels funny.
That's normal, I'm here. Hold my hand.
Okay, I feel better.
The runway is very long.
We're going faster.
Yes, very fast.
We're flying.
Yes, we are.
The clouds are everywhere.
They look soft and delicious.
This is beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
I can't stop looking.
It's hard to look away.
Seat belts stay on.
That person works here. I see a cart.
Drinks are coming.
My cup is so small.
Everything is smaller on planes. The juice tastes good.
Flying makes it special.
I feel very relaxed now.
The clouds are shining.
The sunlight is beautiful.
This is a peaceful moment.
Agree. I enjoy this view.
I feel sleepy.
You can rest.
I'll close my eyes.
Good idea.
The sign turned off.
That means it's safe now.
Oops, I stood up.
Sit back down, please.
This is fun together.
Family trips are the best.
The clouds feel endless.
Like a soft sea.
It's very quiet now.
Everyone is relaxing.
This trip feels right.
It truly does.
We're traveling so high.
Above everything. Our journey is still going, and many adventures are waiting.